Hello, my beautiful Pisces, and welcome to Divine Enchantress. This is your monthly mid month of July reading until the end of July. Love reading with the Divine Enchantress. I welcome all of you to this reading, and let's see what my dear Pisces have in store as an energy for themselves or their loved ones. What messages come through for you? All right, please keep in mind, as I always say, that these are purely general reading. All right, and so please take them however they resonate. They cannot resonate with all of you, so take whatsoever it resonates with you. All right, so let's see, Pisces, what do we have in store for your mid-July until the end of July. And these two cards come up, and they are the only thing that is real is love. Shift your focus back to love and love who you are. You're divine, delightful, and deserving of the wonderful things that life has to offer. These are such beautiful cards with such profane messages. So let's begin with Pisces, your detailed love reading, all right, until from the mid month until the end. So most of you Pisces, I feel, could be feeling, like you could be blaming yourself for certain things, or you could just not be feeling that, like whatever it is, Pisces, I feel that this is a little, with this has something to do with self-love. All right, and let me see as what detailed messages also come through for you. So Pisces, we have, all right, Pisces, beautiful. So as we can see clearly, the only thing that is real is love. So you need to, push your focus back to love and love who you are. So Pisces, there is a little certain issue. Maybe some certain things occurred in the past. Maybe you were dealing with certain narcissistic tendencies, and I apologize if this does not resonate to all right? So I would say, Pisces, that you are tired. There was this constant fight, and there was this constant struggle when it comes to love, and you've had this karmic lesson, and somewhere maybe you blame yourself still for this lesson, and that is the reason why this energy has been blocked, Pisces. All right, and I would say that there are people, and there are references, there are friends, there are opportunities to communicate and get to know and everything. But Pisces, there is this, as I said, there is this constant need to find your own self, and to know and prioritize what you really want. There's a lot of organization needed right now, Pisces. All right, there's this, because if this is love that you want, then what are you, open to exchange to receive this kind of peaceful, happy love? And Pisces, as far as I see, with the Emperor and the Five of Wands over here, there has just been too much on your plate lately, all right? And there has been, you maybe for past circumstances you still blame yourself for not maybe having put enough, or trying and giving it a shot, or pushing things ahead. But I would say that no, I would say that you can have this closure, you can have this, constant, maybe for most of you, a friend of yours or people really want you to date, explore, and really want to push and help you out of a situation. Now this is for singles, all right? And but the thing is, Pisces, over here, that if you really believe and if you really push yourself, then in a very short period of time you could really have this peaceful love, this peaceful relationship that you always have dreamt for. Also, I would like to see the end of the month, what outcome can come through for July for my dear Pisces. Now, also for those who are already in a relationship, Pisces, all right, there has to stop this blame game that you have been putting on yourself or this other person. Maybe you pushing yourself so far, and that is frustrating you. Maybe you are not being in your own element. Maybe to embrace this person, to have the affection of this particular person, Pisces, you are going out of your way, and that is frustrating you. And the other person could not have a clue, because they are not expecting. Now Pisces can be a very self-sacrificing sign. They can really push themselves out of their own limitations and boundaries, and end up being very frustrated. I know this. So See, Pisces, beautiful. So for those who are single, as I said, the self-sacrificing card and the Hanged Man, and this tendency of pushing yourself, sacrificing yourself, and and keeping things onto yourself just to make sure the other person is not disappointed, or it becomes so much that at another point, at some juncture, you just burst out. So I would say, Pisces, it's very important for you to stop pushing yourself or stop involving in this entire blame situation that is going on, because most of the things that occur to us, or around us, are not completely even our fault. All right, and that is something you have to completely process, accept, and move on. So for most Pisces, I do see this energy now, you recognizing that the self sacrificing and this whole feeling this pain is something that you have to let go on of. And for those who are already in a relationship, try and do, and it's good to do certain things for people, but when you push yourself a lot to impress someone, even when they do not ask that from you, then that will frustrate you. So I would say, do as much as you can. At the end of the day, what matters is how much you can express your emotions. Even if you can do a little action or a little deed for someone, even that is enough for you to there's no need for grand gestures all the time, Pisces. All right, there's no need for you to push yourself further into doing into what you wouldn't usually do. So I would say, keep a balance and let go of pushing yourself or beating yourself up to it, because life is so beautiful. Live in the moment and enjoy this. And I hope that I could help in any which ways, and I apologize if I couldn't. So thank you so much for watching, Pisces, and I hope you all are in the best of your health. Please keep in mind that every Sunday and Monday, otherwise, I go live for the weekly readings. So keep in touch with the channel for all of our updates. And thank you so much for watching this. Stay safe and blessed. Your August readings will be up and running very soon. All right. So see you all very soon, Pisces. Bye bye.